And we are live from the Venture Cafe at Cambridge Innovation Center here in Kendall Square, Cambridge, Massachusetts, which is going to be the venue for the hackathon track of the Computational Law and Blockchain Festival happening this weekend, March 16th, 17th, and 18th, 2018. And will just be one of the nodes of many all around the world. And as promised to fellow node organizers at cities around the world, here is a quick tutorial on how to use scheduled Hangout on-air events with YouTube Live. Let's take a look. Okay. Boom. So what we're seeing here is a YouTube live streaming configuration page. So what you want is a YouTube channel, and then verify your channel and set up YouTube Creative Studio and the live streaming and all of that. And then that will enable you to go to youtube.com/my_live_events. You can also see it under Creator Studio here. You'd select live streaming, and then you want to go down to this one called events, which will give you this option on the upper right, new live event. Click it. Create an event. Let's call it post festival, I don't know, party video, something like that. Post festival review video, something like that. You can set it into the future. Let's set it on the March 18th at after maybe 8:30 p.m. We'll do a review. Then you go and click on Create Event. And presto changeo, you've got an event. Let's see, post-festival review video. So if you want the information about the event, you can click on Start Hangout on Air. Don't worry, that will not start broadcasting the Hangout. It will, however, invoke the Hangout screen. I can't have two Hangouts at the same time, so I'm going to take me back to the original call. You can also click, you click Start Live Event is one way you can get links and invite people to the Hangout in advance, and to give them the link that people like remote speakers and others would use in order to participate in the Hangout that you're broadcasting. Or you could just click Start Hangout when you're ready to broadcast. And there's a broadcast button at the bottom of that screen. You can also click on the title of the event, and that will bring you directly to a YouTube video screen that you can grab the links to the video from. So you'll want to click Share and get a direct link to the video, and you'll also probably want an embed link if you want to embed the video into a page for your event. So let's see how that looks. So here is the Boston node web page. It looks like this on the web. Okay. And on GitHub, which is where the page comes from, it's just simple Markdown in the README file, which looks like this. And here's the pure Markdown, which we can edit. So I'll put the post-event video at the bottom of the page. No, I will not do that because this is a live page. So what I will do is I'll create a new page, and I'll call it I don't know, like I'll call it like video example .md, and we'll call this in header post event video example. I'll put the Markdown right in there, and then I'll go back and also grab the direct link to the video right here. Okay, copied it, and I'll say, let's just wrap the lines a little here so we can see it. I'll make a bullet and say direct video link. And the way that you link text is by putting in brackets, or if you're using Squarespace or something, just link the text. I'll commit this file. Now presto changeo, we've got a link to the video. If you click it, it'll bring you right to that YouTube page. We've got a countdown for when the video is going to be live, March 18th. And best yet, if you happen to be using this very simple way to have a web page, which is just GitHub Pages, you can actually see the video embed very simply by going to the site. And then every page that you put in on the site has an automatically generated HTML page that goes with it. You just change the .md markdown to .html when you have GitHub Pages switched on, as you can see in our other tutorial. And presto changeo, you've got a link that you can tweet, you can blog about, you can share, you can suitable for framing, whatever you want to do with it. You've got it right here. When people click on it, they can see, oh, that's when it goes live. So you can create a whole little program schedule here of your live streams. So simple, so easy, and absolutely free. And that's a quick example of how you can use YouTube Live to create Hangout OnAir events and pre-schedule them, and then put the information on the page. Here's Mr. Poppers behind me. Hello, Mr. Poppers. We're here in the Venture Cafe kind of prepping things for the event, and we're looking forward to hacking with everybody this weekend very much. So until then, happy hacking.